Hi girls, my name is Anna. In this video I will be doing nail reinforcement with acrylic powder and also creating a magical gradient effect. To begin, we need to remove the old material and then do a manicure in any technique, followed by standard preparation of the nail for coating. After the first layer of gradient, we sprinkle it generously with acrylic powder and cure it in the lamp. We repeat the gradient and then apply a top coat. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any new video. Bye bye!